The E-Tape Dispenser has some unique design features. A silencer bar, tape tension adjustment, retracting cutter activated by the wipe down blade, ergonomic handle and sturdy metal frame. Loading the tape is easy. Place the dispenser on a firm surface. Note, the tape unwinds in an anti-clockwise direction. Hold the silencer bar down and press the tape onto the core holder. Pull out a short length of tape towards the back. Release the silencer bar and hold down the tape retaining flap. Guide the tape back over the silencer bar to the front roller. Release the tape retaining flap. Pull the tape up and over the wipe down blade. Pull it back to activate the cutter blade. Your tape dispenser is ready to use.